Good morning. Welcome everybody. We are live again. Change the date real quick. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. About to send Zoom link. Good morning, Nico. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. See, yeah. Big move up. Remove everything from the screen. Morning from India, damn. Whoa, it's pretty far, man. Pretty good. We're in a strong bullish momentum right here. Few levels to the left. Here we go. Just gonna get the zoom in. Jay, good morning from London. You do this Monday to Friday? Yes, I do this Monday to Friday. Every single day of the week. Perfect. Good morning from Nigeria, damn. Yo, what's up, Prep? Morning.
You okay?
Yeah, pretty good, man. We already started the stream.
Oh, you already started?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go. We got news at 7.
Yes, right now.
In 20 minutes, actually, sorry. 7 my time.
Oh yeah, that's the retail sales. That's gonna shake a bit, probably.
Yeah.
Shake the markets a little bit. Everyone to this. There we go. Invited everyone to the Zoom. Very nice. Good morning. Welcome. Slowly, the people from the YouTube are coming in.
Prices moved back into 150. Crazy.
Yeah, it's just moved up like an absolute train. Let's go a bit to the higher time frames. With that.
Yo.
Cap, good morning, man. Good morning.
G'day.
We prep made me a host for a second.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How's everybody?
Morning. Everybody's fabulous.
Oh, amazing.
How are you, man?
Good.
Perfect.
I'll speak for the group.
Yeah.
By the way, can you guys hear some background noises? My neighbor's
a little bit.
installing some. Oh, okay.
A little bit.
I'll mute myself when not. Yeah, this is why I got myself a little office because of all these stupid noises.
Yeah.
GJ is crazy.
Yeah, GJ is mad.
Missed all that move today. I this morning it was at 150.1 100. I looked at it, but I was out and thought, oh, just leave it alone.
Yeah,
But it's just been gradually going up all day. Just
crazy.
there's nowhere really you could enter because it just doesn't feel like there's got volume. So it's sort of edging higher without any volume.
Yeah, you look at Asian, it's just
Yeah, but it's been very slow. It's been a slow climb.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Ooh,
closed
a lot
my
of
full position
background noise.
yesterday at 149.890.
Whoa, guys, if you come in, please mute your mic. You're not talking straight away. Good morning, good morning. How are you, Frank?
Good, and you?
Yeah, perfect, man.
Might see a correction happening though
Yeah.
right now.
Probably I was thinking we'll do something the same as yesterday, like come down, get correction after pull back up.
Yeah.
Man, I'm so sad I closed my position. That could have been a runner.
Mm.
Jesus. Took 85 pips and left the other 50.
Wow. But
Yeah.
you already took a lot, man.
Yeah, but that's what the runner is for, to keep the damage. But I thought, that was a strong level at, where my runner TP to just
It's crazy how it.
yeah, just clashed through.
Yeah.
Now I'm looking at 158.63. Breaks that thing. Sheesh. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's get a correction first.
Yeah, yes.
Yo, Nick.
Yesterday there was a volume all day. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, right? This is not something I've never done, but I probably took about 6 or 7 trades yesterday. And
Yo, you gotta relax.
mate, all day I
You
was on
gotta
the charts.
relax.
I was making money. I was like, yo, I've got to stop. And then my last trade was a loss, and I thought, forget this, I'm going.
Bro, you need to stop overtrading, man. Stop overtrading. Stick to your
Never
session.
done that before, never ever. But you know what? Yesterday, prices just kept moving, kept giving me 10 pips, kept me 10 pips.
Yeah, that's a bit greedy, man. Next time I'm gonna get myself a plane ticket. I'm gonna smack you, man.
Trust me, man. Greed kicked in hard yesterday.
Don't do that ever again, bro. Don't do that.
It's Najim's fault because I knew he was like just waking up pips. He was just, he's not asleep and he's caught the whole move.
What happened, man?
Pointing out fingers here. Oh shit.
What's going on? I sent the link in the Zoom with Luke here. I don't know if you guys saw it, but
Yeah. The GG is a bit nasty right now. I'm just waiting for that news to happen in 15 minutes, and then see what price is gonna do, because I don't want to trade that news right now.
There's news, huh?
Yeah.
All retail sales.
Yep.
Positive numbers.
So what targets would you guys be looking at for buys if it tends to be a good?
Well, if we close above 400, go into this small range, we could go in the top of the range of 577, but don't know if I'm the biggest fan of that. If we start closing above this level, we could continue moving further up, but bit of nasty area to the left, but we could definitely go into that and continue moving further up. But if you look on some other time frames as well, we're at pretty much some sort of a rejection zone. If you look left here, look at all these wicks, candles stopping here, wicks, so we could continue moving back down as well. If we don't continue moving further up and start making higher highs and higher lows again.
I like how GJ melts and finishes off the week every single Thursday in bearish form.
Okay.
And come Monday, it opens bullish.
Oh, there. We got
So
Osterman in.
I'm gonna bank and buy anybody here cryptocurrency wallet if I am wrong, but I am gonna bank for these sells to be an ultimate target of
Yeah.
149446.
Yeah, you do a lot with crypto as well, right?
That is the future. So
Okay.
unfortunately, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm already in sells, and then that's what.
Nice,
What
man.
happened.
What's your entry?
Yeah. My entry is I had done 150.224.
Okay, yeah.
Been in a down draw, but that's just I know it's gonna sweep past, and then I've two more down draws of like 150 pips, so 149.888, and another sell at 149.762. So
But
that's all
Osterman,
gonna clear. That's all gonna clear. Yeah, it has to clear. It
yeah,
has to
sure.
clear.
But where you put a stop loss when you're
We
in an
got Tim
entry
coming in.
from 150
Hold on,
to
But
you're
But
swinging that?
you need to understand that the monthly had made the monthly high, right?
yeah, sure, but
And then
I don't know if you have to watch it the way I don't know. GJ maybe can also go up to 151 flat, reject, and drop down to 144 because we're overall
yeah,
very bullish, and
yeah,
therefore I ask where you put your stop loss or if you trade without a stop loss, because when you have an entry at say 150 to 100 nearly, where you put your stop loss 150 800, what's where's the confirmation for a useful stop loss?
yeah. That's if it's going in the wrong direction. But so I can preserve that. That's no problem.
No,
That's
my question was, when you have an sell entry at the region of 150 to 100, where you put your stop loss in this case.
Wagwan.
there's no stop. I'm
Rahu,
not
good
putting
morning,
any
man.
stop loss because
You
there's
trade without a stop loss. Oh, bro, man.
so when you do hedging, your margin and your available lot sizes increase.
Yeah,
So
sure.
I know you guys are scalpers, but
No, to be honest, I don't think to trade without a stop loss is
Boys, I think
Hey,
hold up.
all
Hold
right.
up.
So
Hold
all
up.
I'm saying is it's gonna be sells. All right. So that's it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
When we hit
it's a
149,
50-50 chance.
446,
You
then
guys-
you guys can come back in the morning. But
Wagwan.
I'm,
Rafik. Nice one.
You
Yeah, go ahead.
in this
I
Osterman
called-
in this case, I
Guys.
was in a
it's
Zoom
melting.
session with
It's gonna melt. It's gonna melt hard too.
I think a good stop loss would be around 150, 900 if you're going to swing it. But next to that, we need to see what price is going to do in the next 10 minutes.
It's gonna be bearish. It's gonna be bearish. Get your sells in. Yeah, I've been calling it for the last 2 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
It's coming to 150, 126.
It's gonna go hard.
I don't
Go
think
on.
so, man.
Man, then we got the G. What's going on, man? Everyone's
Alright.
going against each other. Okay, I'm out of this discussion, man.
No, yeah, we'll see.
I'm not in
It's
this.
exciting. It's exciting. It's
Yeah, yeah.
exciting. It's very
No,
exciting.
To be honest, I think the same like Osterman is saying. I'm sure that we are getting a pullback again. So
Whoa,
I
who
see
is
the
that?
same thing.
Mike, that's
But
guys.
Oh.
Yo, them
It's Ian.
It's Ian.
It's
Yeah.
Ian. Mute him.
Ian, mute yourself.
hold up. I'm gonna mute a couple people because everyone has their mic on. Guys, if you're not speaking, please turn the mic off. Okay? Otherwise,
So
it's
as I
gonna
was
be
saying,
an absolute mess.
I see the same like Osterman, but therefore I ask where you put the stop loss. Yeah. But I don't know. I don't think if trading without a stop loss is very useful because we had a Zoom call with G from Capital Hungary. I'm also a member of Capital Hungary, and there was a guy in the YouTube stream who holds I don't know, I think it was silver buys or silver buys, and silver dropped, and he hold drawdown from 64K, and
Right
I
now,
said, yeah, you know,
Yeah,
and
see,
this is the
that's
problem.
different.
yeah, right now.
That's-
You know how long this guy has been probably trading? I don't know if you know, but he's a
Me
pretty
or you
you
got?
you're a pretty good
Well,
trader.
me, I started when
Yeah,
let me
so
tell you that I started before
he
any of
probably
this
knows what he's
had
doing.
started. So
It's
we're
his own
Uncle
style.
Ted, huh?
It's your own style. You know what you're doing. So the
Oh my goodness, I wish I can tell you what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I've acquired the skill over 6 years to read what
yeah,
price is gonna do, and I'm telling you,
yeah,
as
exactly.
it's dropping now, it's just gonna melt like there's no tomorrow, and I could tell you exactly where it's gonna come up. But you know, it's just it's so good to see you guys help out other people as well
Yeah,
because
thank you, man.
shit.
Well, again, on my account, guys. Yeah, man.
So
Come
and
on,
I'm not
man.
gonna
More.
make fun of the fact.
Remove. Goodbye.
Of course, we're moving. We gotta get our 10K tonight, guys. We gotta get our 10K tonight so we can help everybody else. Help everybody else.
Yeah,
And my God, it's been bullying forever. It's like,
it's crazy.
can't can we just bleed a little bit? Can we just bleed?
Yeah, we did a little bit.
Oh,
Can we just
what's
bleed a
man?
little?
Oh, it's you, man.
Yeah, we should. This song. Najim, are you in buys?
Huh?
Are you in buys or
I
something?
have a runner from all the way down, but I do think it's gonna pull back. Where do you have a go to 1 hour
Yes,
or 4 hour?
4 hour.
Yeah, it's gonna right there down.
Yeah,
Yeah, in the
yeah.
middle.
In the middle. This one.
Yeah,
Okay.
I do think it's gonna pull back there
Yeah.
because also we have
Boys,
the
keep
support.
keep talking English in the chat, please. No Dutch, otherwise no one can understand it. Come on.
Uh,
Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, I do think it's gonna pull back. So yeah,
Yeah.
and then continue going up.
Yeah, let's see what we get in 7 minutes because that news can shake the market again. So, and it's probably gonna be bad news.
oh yeah. It's,
Retail sales. It's not good.
well, we got GJ by the throat for the for the month coming up. It's an exciting month. It's an exciting
Yeah.
month.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to how this month's always it's gonna end as well.
Yeah, and
You're
thank you for
expecting
sharing
this
your
level to. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, and thank you for sharing your insights, Ostu, man. I always see
Yeah.
you posting
Never
your
seen you in here.
ideas. Yeah, I've always
Well,
seen you post your
I've been quiet. I've been
Oh,
quiet for the
okay.
last 3 years.
Yeah.
And what really pissed me off, man, was Jev. I come into the website or whatever the Zoom call like a week and a half ago or something like that. And I don't
What's
usually
at
come
that
in,
level?
so I come in and he's talking and doing his dues thing, and someone's mic was on, and there's a baby crying, and he thought it was me, and I'm
Wait,
like,
hold up.
I'm quiet, and then he starts quiet telling me to be quiet, and I'm like, I got a question, and he's just like, hey, you've been taking such last year and all this stuff, and then I was like quiet and didn't say anything, and so I was like, you know what?
Let me,
Everybody could plan a trade. Anybody can plan a trade, and anybody can go ahead and do it live, but no one can do entries. No one can call entries like I
yeah.
can, or to the exact point of pip. So
What's man?
I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna for this month, I'm gonna give everybody just a little insight, and I know I
Got a
should
chart
post more
coming in.
charts than usual, but I don't because it's a spur of the moment because I see it and I'll be like, there's no
It's this
time.
one.
There's absolutely no time. So just buy and sell. So I know I should be a little bit more thorough with the analysis, but my goodness, man, you guys, it's the supply and demand. Once you guys have figured that out, and the banks will go there every single time to get their greedy money, and then they'll get the heck out of there.
Yeah.
So
This chart that we got in, I don't understand what you're trying to do right here. You need to add some things in it because it's like I need to make up my mind of what you're thinking right now. Okay, next time, at some points, what you're looking for, where you're gonna sell, where you're looking for buys, what your bias is, you know.
Luke, I think he wants to get some opinions on the color. Is his color
On the color.
okay?
Oh
Is the
yeah,
color okay?
I
Yeah?
think it's fine. It's absolutely fine.
Fantastic.
Oh my god.
Still,
We figured out our colors before, so wait, hold up. This is the gold. There's old analysis, but
Osteo,
remove all this shit.
are you still here?
always, man, since 2016. Yeah.
And you started trading with Uncle Ted?
Yeah, he's my mentor. Yeah, back in 2016.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice, man. Nice.
Just a question: when you talk about supply and demand, like
I've met him.
how would you like see that, and like could you explain that a bit more, if you don't mind?
You want me to?
Yeah, I can. For what chart? Because that's
You want me to just?
okay. So you can agree that you see on do you want to use GJ for an example with the daily?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, daily, yeah, sure. Here we go.
So let's go ahead and just do the 4 hour real quick. So you see the 4 hour, you see the W's and the prices. Do you
Oh,
see
the
the
double tap.
valleys? The valleys on
Double
the see
bottom.
if you were to see the double bottom on the 4 hour for the last 2 weeks here. So that would be considered a valley or a demand zone.
All right.
We're up here. So where we're at right now in GJ, that needs to come down to go ahead and revisit what it had made in that little space, that W.
Okay, yeah.
Eventually it has to come down to that area. Now, recognizing when that does, that's something that you just go ahead and say, okay, well, that price is going to go ahead and it's ready to fall. But since it's open and you guys say it's traffic to the left, yeah, that's eventually going to be there. But it's once it revisits that, then it needs to take back off again. So any places where it's missing, price needs to revisit. And you look on the daily, and we're up one big fat green candle, and then it had made another one, which we are right now. Well, we need to make a wick right back down to 149,446 to tap into that demand zone before we head back up. So it's just a little slingshot. And eventually, when that happens, it's going to give us another buy opportunity to take us back up and eventually fill the wick of the monthly. When April comes on Thursday, it's going to be Asia Open. Their day is before us in California, West Coast. I'm planning on selling that high of April and then holding and riding the price down all the way to 142. So that's why Najim in the group is saying he's looking for the sells and the sells and the sells. Well, it's not these sells here coming up, but the higher one of April's high. So we're seeing this bullish correction right now, but we know a greater one's coming. But we want that big payout. We want that big monthly payout where it's just going to continue to bleed and needs to revisit that demand zone of one. If you're pulling up the monthly, 142, at the worst 144. If you start on the monthly, it's going to give you the supply and demand and the levels for the whole entire week and month. So when you come into the game plan, I don't want to look at a session. I want to look at the whole entire week. And if we can't do that, then I want to look at the whole entire day. Where would that daily candle be up and reject? How would that weekly candle reject? Like that week, GJ did everyone dirty on the weekly, so we gapped down, and it never recovered after that. So I took a 2K loss there and a little bit more, and then as soon as that weekly was done and touched, because it filled the wick on the
All right,
weekly.
thanks. So you pretty much look at your supply and demands on very high time frames, and after you go into lower time frames and see where
Yeah, you always
you
high
could
first,
execute for
and
that.
then lower, and then scan up and down, and that's exactly what Ted does. Ted will go, okay, let's see what the monthly's doing, let's see what the weekly's
Yeah,
doing,
exactly what I do. Yeah.
but he doesn't say it. He only says it. He only said it one time, and I remember that. So when he's doing the trade, he'll scan through 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, do it again, look at the entry, and then look at his confluence, and then kill it. And I'm like, shit, Ted, shit.
Yeah, I
shit.
should
Pick
go
up
check
Mr.
Astio
Oh,
because
Wolfman, we're on a live stream here, and I don't know if it is good when you're,
No, it's all good, man. Right now, it's all good.
you know,
It's all good. I like when people talk and explain stuff, and
yeah,
I like to hear it.
telling people
Here
to
come the
trade
cells.
without a stop loss makes me really angry, you know.
Here
Yeah,
come the
100%.
cells.
But he has.
I didn't
You
put a
have to
stop
be
loss on these
open-minded.
cells.
Hold up.
But you got to know. Yeah, I know. I know I should, but my goodness, it's like I know exactly where this is gonna go, and it's like so exciting to me.
Look,
Yeah,
this
but-
guy, right now, like this guy just has a different style to, let's say, us, and that's all good because he found his style, we found our style, you found your style, I found my style. Everyone has his own style, and
but the most problem from young traders is
100%.
don't using stop loss and
Yes,
blowing
100%.
accounts. And I think this is the first step to get into this bad funnel, you know.
100%. People need to use a stop loss, but this guy, he knows what he's doing.
I got a question for you, Astio. I mean, just to kind of understand like your trading perspective, like you say you feel like it's been a sell. So since you don't trade with a stop loss, like at what point do you say, all right, this is enough, and then
We just had the news coming in.
Yes, a good question. So I would look at that. I would be going right to the higher time frames, and if anything, it has to blow out. I would do the weekly and see it can't pass the weekly high that I already made, because that when I see that weekly candle and that top wick has been made, and for 2 days straight that top wick has been made, and this has been floating. And I'm like, that is not going to flip bullish because it already had made that top wick on the weekly. And the only room for it to do is going down. So there's my bearish confirmation on the higher time frame for monthly. And then after that, it's just tightening it up on the lower time frame. So my stop loss would be 50 pips above the weekly high.
So what you do pretty much is you take like one trade, like one kind of you have one bias and just add onto it while it goes, or it takes them off while it comes back up. Is that right?
You can say that on some occasions, yeah, because I identified where the weekly candle would come into play, and that appears every single week on a Sunday, and then the daily too. So I take those and see where our week could head. So it's very important to see where, especially when the 4-hour candles come up, but the daily candles is going to be the one higher from the weekly. So how is the entire day going to play out for London and New York determines on that daily candle.
I'm looking for price to start based on one hour.
I think as individuals, especially younger people, you guys have to get out of that mindset of asking for
I can't hear you, man. I don't know who's talking.
Are you in the plane?
He's in the toilet, I think.
Okay. But boys, let's focus on today on GJ for now on. Let's see. I'm gonna look past this small consolidation area on the 30-minute, just to be a bit safer and maybe take sells below here. Have first targets around this level, second targets around here. Looking at this level as well. If we're gonna get into sells. For buys, I'm just looking for buys above here, up this level. Gonna mark it out for everyone.
Good morning, people.
Morning, man.
Morning.
How are you, man?
Amazing yourselves. How are we doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. Thank you for joining, Lucas. No, nothing yet, nothing yet. Nothing yet.
I see Asian is doing his job again,
Yeah.
pushing further up.
Bro, Asian's been the move lately. I even took a buy specifically
Comes
'cause I
the
knew
British
it would
truck.
push.
Easy.
This is amazing, man.
Comes.
Yeah. The gold is absolutely nasty still. Still just it's some sort of a fake out. Push back in the range.
Yeah, if I can say something about gold.
Sure.
I was gonna talk to that. I was gonna write to this guy. Basically on gold, you don't really want to trade it between here. I'm gonna draw some lines on Zoom. Maybe you can draw them up for the YouTube. You basically.
Oh yeah, sure. Wait
don't...
1 second.
Yeah.
Brush. Whoa. See this? I'm trying to do the same as you, yeah.
yeah.
This, and let me try this one. Oh my god, well, how can you be so straight with that line?
I don't know. I guess it's Zoom.
Oh my god, no, I'm not gonna try this. I'm just gonna put a line like this. There we go. They can see it now.
Yeah. So basically, that's a very dirty range over here. But
Yeah.
above it, you have like 80 pips of clean traffic, and below it, you have like over 200
Yeah,
pips.
that's what I was looking for as well. I think you just need to, like, if you have like short targets, you could maybe, but it's pretty dangerous. You don't know what it's gonna do. I think best sells are gonna be below 22. Just below 22, clean traffic to the left, targeting these levels. First targets maybe around 11, and then the ones. That's the best thing to do. I don't think you want to be in this range, so that's why I'm not pretty looking at it right now. If it's gonna break down, yes, then I'm gonna be looking at it. But for me, I think we're gonna wait till New York till gold's gonna do something nice.
Yeah, honestly, I think the move for gold is gonna be next week. Once this weekly candle closes, Monday we might the daily candle on the Monday might give a bearish confirmation and close below like 1722, and then Tuesday we will have like and down to Thursday we'll have a huge drop to 1680. That's what I'm envisioning for the higher time frames.
I agree with that. I agree with that. I think
Okay. Just small waiting game for me right now. Can to close below here and then just sell off. Pretty simple.
That was a good set. Previous one out close bullish. That's gonna just keep dropping there.
Probably.
Yo, Superstar, you got some charts in the chat.
guys, look at GJ go. Look at GJ go. I love it. Come on, it's gonna rip right now. About 5.
Yes, we got
4,
a chart in the chat from
3,
Nick.
2.
Ooh, he's
1.
calling
Let's
it.
go.
He's calling
Rip,
it.
baby. Come on.
Are we going yet?
Give me the bacon. Give me the bacon.
Are we going yet?
Go to 1 hour look.
Yeah, boys.
Come on.
Let's see at this chart.
It's gonna rip hard. It's gonna rip hard.
Damn, Nick.
This is what I live for. This is what I live for. This is what I live for, guys. These little moments where you know it's coming, and every Thursday night, GJ is just gonna no doubt be bearish. Every single week, it never fails. 80% of the time.
Yeah, this makes a lot of sense, Nick.
There we go.
Nick, yeah.
This makes a lot of sense. You're just pretty much creating support on this level, important level, retesting it, continuing further up.
Yeah, and we're not even a New York Open yet. So this is gonna be bleeding all night.
There we go.
I love the confidence.
Yeah, man. Me too.
Because of his confidence.
I got you guys. I got you guys.
I mean, about 15, 13
I got you guys. I got you guys.
Yeah.
I'm putting all my money on you, mate.
Well, prep. Hey, don't overtrade, man.
Okay, now, if you have the 200 SMA, we're gonna go down still, and it's just gonna reject a little bit off that SMA, and then it's gonna retrace. So you can take profit at precisely 150.073, or you can just wait, take profit there, or wait for it to retrace back to entry and then drop back down further, because it'll want to hit your stop loss.
real quick, Luke, somebody else to send a chart in the chat.
Yes, yeah, I'll
Jan,
think. Which one? I see two
Jan,
charts.
you.
Yes, let me check that real quick. Pinch this one. Oh fuck, it's an entire link.
Gold is going to
Oh.
melt.
Yeah, I don't do any indicators, so yeah, this is pretty much what I'm looking for as well. Very nice, clean chart. Pretty much exactly the same, Janu. This is very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I'm just looking for a close, personally.
This is close. So you could just start stacking like usually I already have my positions set here. I have buys and sells all over the place. But
Okay.
for this right now, because I'm just setting up for the month, right? The next month. I'm already have my eyes set for next month. So this is gonna freaking rip down. So I would be adding sells like crazy right now. So I'd put like one right now and then
For some reason, I can't
200
find.
SMA. I'm out. I'm
I mean,
out.
that's serious. I wish I had your level of confidence, man. You are.
Yeah, but this, he knows what he's doing, so yeah, he's seen it probably over and over and over and over again. So yeah.
Go.
Where's the?
So let me grab my chocolate milk real quick and then
Nice.
get this going.
Some reason.
Alright.
Here it
I
comes.
can't.
Here it comes. Here it comes, boys. Can we get a pip? Can we get another pip?
Okay.
Yeah, I've also been in sales.
Let's go. So you can stack right now until her.
Nah, just that one position is good for me, bro.
I know, but you know it's gonna. I'm telling you though, man. I'm
I
telling you.
got,
That's the thing.
you know, I caught
Telling
these
you.
buys yesterday, and I was looking at sells around the daily level, but I didn't get it. So I was
For some
already
reason,
looking at sales to start off since yesterday.
I can't find. Right.
Fucking
I'm taking it down to
7 lot on this shit right now.
taking this
Boom.
down to 149, 325. Final TP.
Give us some love, GJ. We love you, Boris. Give us some love.
Yeah.
Come on, here we go. Cut down.
Oh, by the way,
Okay,
remember,
let's.
And for 6 years straight, you just see the same thing over and over again, man. It's just
pound
nothing
extended.
changes.
Okay, let's take it easy right here. I'm
Oh,
looking.
I'll tell you when to close. I'll tell you when to close. It's got room to drop.
I'm not in. I'm not in. I'm not in.
Yeah, it's ready. So it always looks for you to close out and then it drops, right? It's always like it watches you almost.
GG is like always teasing.
Does, man? It
Does a
totally
lot.
teases.
For me, those always teases at my target levels. It's just.
Out of curiosity, Osteo, what's your take profit again?
Well, I'm gonna when New York hits, I am looking at the demand zone at 149611 ultimately.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna hit because I've learned. Let me tell you something, guys. I've learned. So it's session right now. It's London session, but this price is gonna run all through the night. And when it hits, I'm in Pacific time. When it hits the 9 o'clock candle and New York open, I know that's gonna turn around. That's when you want to close. Is the Pacific time 9 a.m. candle because that's a new 4 hour and it's finished and it's not going to go any more or any deeper. It has to retrace again because it has to set up for Monday. That happens 100% every single time. You can fight me on it. But
Let's not fight anymore. It's all good.
But it's like, yeah, I close every time, like you guys, right? I'm like, okay, I close early. I wish I didn't, but then I would watch price do the same thing every single week in, week out. I'm like, damn, I should have held. I should have held. And this is where the stop hunt will be for the stop loss. So price will be trickling down here,
For some reason.
it'll go all the way back up to 150, 212, and then run back down again. But
For some reason, my control panel on OBS is gone. It's gone. I can't find it anymore. It's pretty annoying.
I'm in from.
Can you send it here on YouTube as well? Yes. Let's see this chart for a second.
I'm in from 28.6, I think. 28.6, 150, 286. Just up 10 pips now.
Oh, that's my chart.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was explained to somebody else how they can send it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Whoever sent that chart, we need some more details, please.
Oh shit! Oops. For
By the
some
way, guys,
reason, my Spotify is nowhere.
Luke, UK passed COVID law until October,
Okay.
so they might keep the lockdown until October.
Oh yeah, we
Ooh.
talked about that, didn't we?
all right.
I went downtown.
That's
Cruising to
bad
the
for
alley.
pound,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. That's terrible.
Man, nothing is working today. Everything with sound is.
Luke, you receiving your camera today, yeah?
Yeah, man. And I could for it's pretty. After 9 o'clock, I could receive a call from the doctor, so I could be away for a couple minutes.
Hey, you know, Ricardo got a camera.
Yeah, and he has a guitar. We got some live music right there.
Man was over there surfing this morning.
I was out surfing this morning. Now I'm here trading.
Where's the guitar, Ricardo?
Mr. Ricardo.
It's always a hand.
We got live
So the
music. Live music in this house.
Mr. Ricardo got to play guitar when we win a trade, man.
Yeah. When we're inside the trade.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
Good.
Oh, where'd he go?
What happened?
This profile picture.
Yeah, that was a famous
there you go.
profile picture right there.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the stream.
Pictures, I thought
Nearly
collabs-
300 people live. Link in the
Ooh,
bio.
nice.
Join in for a good chat.
It's more
Bro.
relaxing trading and playing guitar at the same time.
Yeah, you can focus on the guitar while inside the trade, you know. Except for
I'm up 12 pips, but it looks more on your chart because you've got the scale spread. That looks like a very bearish candle.
bro, I don't understand.
Peace out.
See you, man.
Guys, give it a like and stream. We got
Yeah, man.
300 people watching.
We got 300 people watching, only 50 likes. We want to hit that 100 likes today.
Post the link.
Oh, yeah, sure.
The YouTube link.
Sure.
I'm subscribed, but when I go to YouTube, it doesn't show up.
Oh, you need to set the bell.
You have
I'll
to
set
type in
Notifications
Ricardo.
on. There we go. Nearly 100 likes. Flying.
Ricardo, you have to type in. You have to
Oh,
type
yeah,
in
got
that.
There you go.
Nearly 100 likes.
You
Ooh,
got
someone has.
104.
Flying. Yeah, it's going pretty good.
So on Monday, camera. And Luke,
What? Yeah, Monday camera. Yeah, Monday camera.
let's go
And they were gonna take it.
next level.
Yeah, I'll bring my camera on Monday too. I'll be back in the
Sure.
office.
I'm looking in 10 minutes just for this candle to close below, and it's gonna take a sell off. The only thing is, I'm looking at that 15-minute. If I'm happy with that, yes or no. Good. You know, if it closed bullish, I wanted to close without a wick, and maybe break the low. But let's see. Yeah, my stop loss would be above the current 15-minute candle if we start closing. So the 15 closed, and then stop loss above there. Yeah, but I just said that. That's what I'm looking for personally. But it has to close below 200 for me to take sells. 199. Hey, look, send me this trade before it happened. Play out. I'm gonna look at some. Yes, look at your chart. Yes, let's see. Oh, I did the other wrong chart. Oh, this was my fault probably. Oh yeah, you're looking at 1 hour. Yeah, I'm more looking at that 30-minute candle. I didn't wanna be in that nasty range. Yeah. Relax with the spamming. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
¿Cuál parte de
I've
España,
wrapped
Ricardo? En España, ¿cuál ciudad?
what I wanna be doing now is do this real quick. Okay. What I wanna see, or a close below 200 or a weak close of that 15, because I already just made a wick up. Did sort of get to these levels. Let's see. It's just waiting for another 8 minutes. See what happens.
Just bear in mind, 150 is for our resistance on the left.
Yeah.
Consolidation area that we broke through. So just bear in mind that.
Yeah, exactly. If you're not subscribed as well, subscribe. We're trying to hit that 1500 today. 100. Would be awesome if we hit the 1500 by today. We need 90 subscribers left. Big number, but we could try. Yeah, Nick, I thought the same.
Bro, until I heard the man's voice, I thought that was him.
With what? Sorry,
Your profile pic.
it's got a P on there, isn't it?
No, in Slack.
Oh, you thought I was like that? I was like a white bearded old man.
Yeah. Humongous, bro. I heard your voice in Slack.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Yeah,
We got another chart coming in from Nadeem. Yeah, go ahead.
He was just like someone really important to me, and he's passed away really, and that's why I kind of, just have him around.
DJ,
my
15
grandfather
minutes.
type.
Oh, man's taking buys. What a guy. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking forward to how this is gonna play out. I'm looking forward to that.
I'm
Where's
just
that guy
hoping
screaming?
my break even doesn't get hit.
It makes sense to buy. It's 150 as I mentioned it. It's for our resistance.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm more bullish bias. I'm expecting like a pullback
Yeah,
and then the trend.
Same, Nick.
Yeah, for me personally, best situation would be just to follow the trend. Trend is your friend at the end of the day. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, for GJ, I also have a bullish bias, and today this setup is giving me the same vibes as yesterday's setup, where we took me and Luke, maybe some other guys too, took a sell, and then it did that fake out. Because to take a sell right now, we want to see a fresh support formed and then break of that support. But that support to the left isn't fresh; it's not created in our session.
Yeah, sells for me
Fresh.
be a resistance below 150, but we need to form a resistance below.
I would just wait for the 4-hour candle in 30 minutes, and you have your answer there.
The crazy kind of breaking highs, breaking lows in the 4-hour.
Yeah, I'm not looking to force anything today, anyways.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, we had a really good week this week, to be honest.
Right.
So
Noise.
I came to the charts with the idea that sort of I'm gonna sit out today. But if it presents, it presents. I'm gonna get in. But
Yeah.
had 4 wins in a week, so I'm really happy. And
Only reason I came to the charts today was to see if gold had closed below on the daily 1722 to melt.
Okay, Nadim, I understand. You're waiting for that candle to close. Okay, yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. You're looking just like at a fake out. Okay. Yeah.
Gold is nasty, to be honest.
Super nasty.
The way it's raging is just joke.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Are we going short or long? I don't know, man. We just need to wait. 4 minutes left.
Hedge.
Let's see.
I'm still in shorts, man.
Nice.
Look,
Yeah.
if you look left on a 30-minute, slightly bit.
Left on. Oh shit.
Yeah, you can see that we got we in the rejection area now.
Yeah.
You see that dodgy candle? Yeah, if you just zoom in. Yeah, that's the area.
Yeah.
And we in between that area. So, and I think this candle, if this candle can leave this area and go up, I think we might even reach sort of 600 today.
Yeah. Yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah. I'm just gonna be it's this 30-minute is gonna do a lot. We got a chart coming in from Julian. Nice. Let's see what we got. It was a bit of a messy stream at the beginning, but hopefully we can set it right. So for the people that was a bit messy, but let's see. Okay, took the sales from 240. Target already hit. Good job, man. Good job. Very nice. Very nice.
Need some sound effects, man. I'd have like a good clap for
Yeah. I need to get one of those soundboards, you know. Download one of those soundboards. The only issue is I'm already have problems with sound right now because on OBS I can't find my sound thing anymore. So
come on. Like do that you guys got Geek Squad over there, but
what?
Oh, Geek Squad, man.
Who?
Geek Squad. You guys don't have that over there?
No, man. I have no idea what that is.
Nah, they don't, bro.
Best Buy?
They don't even have a Best Buy.
Y'all missing out.
35 minutes to London Open. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. What is the future of GBP USD? If I could tell you. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty much doing the same, but it's really out of support right now. I think this candle is pretty much rejecting this level. Starting to close bullish. This candle starts closing above. 4 hour did close bearish. See. If you want to continue on selling, you could move on to that target right here. I don't know how many pips that is. They're on 13 pips. If you want to sell off, I would look for buys above 622. For the aggressive buyers, you could already wait for a 30-minute to print bullish and retest this high to continue moving further up. For safer buyers, you could wait for a close above this level. Pretty simple. Just wait for a 30 to close bullish and then or 15. Depends on how aggressive you are yourself. So yeah. Let's go back to GJ. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this trade because it just you know, respected this support level. Pretty big wick. I'm all good. I'm just staying out. I want the best possible situation to happen, and I don't want to be in like a 50-50 zone.
Yeah, especially on Friday, man.
Yeah, especially on Friday. I don't want to waste my profits ending in profits this week. So it's, why risk it?
Smart, smart. Setting the right tone.
You're right. So on Fridays, I'm waiting for the best possible thing to wait for.
Mm.
You know, it's
Nick, where was your bias?
Say that again.
Where was your bias?
My buys?
YouTube.
Yeah, you say you bought in Asian.
Yeah. So I bought around. Hold on, I'll let you know right now. It was 7 o'clock my time, and my entry price was 150.022.
Okay.
I secured. I think around like 8 pips when the 30-minute
022.
close.
Damn.
Yeah.
So you bought, so you bought literally just as we broke the resistance on the 15, sort of.
Yeah, what happened was that 30-minute candle at 6 o'clock closed, but it didn't break the high, and then it closed like that doji, or like whatever you want to call that thing,
Mm-hmm.
decision candle. And I got in when it broke the high of that one. So I was like 150.022, and the next 30-minute close without a wick on top. So I took 85% off and went break even. And just let the whole thing
Yeah,
ride.
I saw that you posted on the gram. I was like, damn.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
That was honestly
nice.
expected because the way we closed the day above 149,800 resistance.
Yeah. Can we hit 1,500 subscribers by the end of today? We are at 1,424. We need 75 subscribers to kill it for this week. 1,500. Could we do
Bring
it?
your parents, guys.
Bring your parents. Bring all the accounts.
I love the energy today, man. I
Yeah.
put the PS5 down for this energy. But
Accidentally,
if we
yeah.
form support, like let's say this candle start closing above, what is this?
My question never gets answered. Where's your question? There's so many chats going around. Let me see for you. How big is your account? Yeah, I saw that question, and everyone wants to know. Everyone wants to know. But does it? What does it matter? Does it matter? I could tell you right now. I don't give a fuck if I tell it, but it doesn't matter to you. That's the thing.
Win is win, even if you have $100 account.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Not relevant.
It's not relevant. You saw me. You see my lot sizes trading on my Instagram. You could maybe calculate it from that level. Those are dynamic risk positions, by the way, but you can calculate it from that. If you go to my Instagram, you can see the lot sizes. Look at my analysis, Eric. Yes, sure. Let me see. Let me see.
You know, people ask that sort of questions, and they portray their own opinion on regards how good of a trader you are.
Exactly.
You know?
Doesn't matter how much money.
Trying to make money.
and they sort of thinking, if I stay with him on a London session, is it possible for me to make extra money with that? And you know, it's just stupid.
Okay, yeah. Breakout trend line, home zone. Yo, you're in crazy cells. That's a savage entry right there. Good. Yeah, go ahead.
No, I was gonna say earlier was like how we're closing bullish after that support.
Yeah.
We start pushing back above 400. I'm getting for a buy.
Yeah. That's
yeah,
what
makes sense.
150 is a 4-hour rejection level that we running away from it.
Yeah. By the way, you know trade with Monty? Yeah, I know trade with Monty, Ryan. Yeah. Maybe, yeah, Vindy. Who knows? What's up?
I just got stopped out. My runner got stopped out.
Yeah, it took me a while to get a handle on it, but I stick with my bias. Like my plan was buys for tonight. If I see buys, I'll take it. If it goes sells, then I'm hoping it drops to 148 or whatever Osteo was saying. But I'm just gonna sit back and wait for buys.
Yeah, me too.
The further it drops,
I just wanna have that, perfect situation trend with you. At the end of the day, trend is your friend. Can force it 100%. Oh yeah, you took it. Very nice, man. Good job. You're in. Yeah, this was his plan. He already sent the chart before, and now he's doing it. Very good, man. Following your plan. Good job. He's just he expected this to just fake out, and now he's in. Very nice, man. Good job.
Yeah, that's a savage entry.
That's a really, really, really good entry. Look at him, man. Look at this guy. He's flying.
If
Damn.
we're looking,
Oh.
from the weekly perspective, we sort of maybe need to fill the gap.
Yeah, it's
So-
already got filled once, but
Yeah, I mean, but with the full candle.
yeah, with the close, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Where is the guy who said so? I got faked out. Yeah, I did. I told you, this candle did not close below, so there was no selling for me. Maybe the guy that was selling already, he was he was selling already from above. So you need to look out. Don't follow someone blindly, man. Your own fault.
It's flying.
On the hourly,
You need-
that's Najim's candle.
Yeah. Next to that,
Rocket ship.
if I take a trade, and you're gonna be in the same trade, make sure that you understand the trade. Make sure that you understand what I'm doing, because otherwise you're following someone blindly and doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. It's not gonna help you in any way. Yeah, maybe gonna make you some money or lose you some money. It doesn't even matter. But make sure what I'm doing that you understand it. What a G, Nadim Dandu. What a beautiful, beautiful trade you just took there. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Amazing, guys. The same setup as we had yesterday. Exactly the same.
Exactly.
that's what I
But
said.
that was a exact London Open that 15 minutes before London Open. But same thing. Just looking at those fake outs between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, you can really see them coming by on 15-minute time frames.
Yeah, at the end of the day, the trend is bullish, and we wanted to see it. A high was created. If support was created, then 80% probability to continue retest the high.
Look, please
Yeah.
check your DM on Instagram. Yeah, sure. I'm not that much on Instagram because throughout the day it's just like, for some reason, if I have Instagram on my phone, it's just taking me off guard. So I only download it and then delete it after the session again, most of the times. I don't want, any noise to be around me.
Can we reach 800 today? I think that's a possibility.
I hope we can.
That's what I'm aiming for. That double top on the 30-minute.
Yeah. 35.
Jeez. For once, the 15-minute actually played out right. I was waiting for a 30-minute close.
Just go look. You can't be like that.
Actually, good entries were
Don't
on
be like-
5, but I was just hesitant in regards to the consolidation we had.
I'm again giving props to the guy that just took the buys. This guy, you're a G, Nadim. Nadim Dandu, you're an absolute G for taking that. Very good. But I'm
like that.
for targets. I'm still looking at 1,500 to hit today. Subscribers. But it is what it is. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. But I don't. Let's see.
My runner is eating, man.
Jesus Christ. I should have been buying too.
Are you out already, Guala?
Yeah, I got stopped out at break even. I didn't
Oh.
even collect profits.
Then you were just a safe trade.
Yeah, it was it was risky.
This guy is already in from his entry. What is this entry? 215. Yeah, this guy.
I think his take-off hit, isn't it?
Yeah, 215. My God. I'll give you a sub. Thank you, man, Niels. Thank you. We're trying to hit that 1,500 today. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but that would make my entire week already got made, man, because of Hugh.
Your entire month, man.
And my entire bro, maybe even my year already, man.
Nah, that's
Only-
lovely. That's lovely.
Hey guys,
But-
when you're checking the 30-minute candles from today and also from yesterday, I think another guy yesterday talked about the 1-minute chart. I'm not executing, but just looking at it. And
That was me, I think.
I was saying 1 minute.
I don't know. I do the same thing. But what you see there is exactly. Let me also zoom in. You have the candles here, 827, 830. Make like a flat candle, and then the next candle failed to break, come above 200, and the rest is past.
You just see
Okay.
that double tap, the same level, candle
Yeah,
close above, and then
I
just
think you
goes.
have to be a bit careful with double taps in the 1 minute. I also do not trust them always, but in this case, it's a very nice rejection, and now we are off the races.
Someone, Roger talks highly of you, Luke Trade London. Yeah, man. He knows. I've been in with a long time. He learned me a lot.
And now imagine the guy who is trading without a stop loss and back and draw.
He's probably already out at break even, or maybe he's still in, but I don't know.
For some reason, I think he stacked another sell in there.
But it doesn't, at the end of the day, it's his style, and he knows this works out for him probably 80% of the time. And this guy, you don't want to see how much he makes. You don't even want to see it, bro. I'm telling you right now.
Well, he trades what he sees, right? So we're doing the same.
Yeah. And it's just a different style, Yeah, without a stop loss isn't that smart, 100%. And especially, guys, for the new people that are in the YouTube, don't trade without a stop loss. I'm telling you right now, I'm getting a plane ticket and I'm gonna smack you. Don't do it.
Look at Luke,
Don't
man.
do it.
but Luke, to talk seriously, also when you are trading without a stop loss, you have a mental stop loss and you know when you want to be out. So where's the problem to put the fucking stop loss on this level?
Whoa, relax.
When
Take it easy. Yeah, go ahead.
When your trading idea is invalid, it don't make any sense to stay in it.
Yeah.
I don't understand it. There is no problem to take the loss or to put a. I mean, he has a stop loss, a margin call.
Smack me, Daddy Luke. Wow. Well, yeah, go ahead. I was just at that reaction. Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I was done. Guys.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
No, hedging. I mean, I'm not sure, but I think hedging is when you take a sell and it goes up in buys, you still add sells for it to have a better price. For once it goes into the sells, then you're in profits way quicker.
Yeah, this guy is in from 209. We got levels over here, man. 215, 209, savage. I don't know about these EMA things, but I do know that you're in good profits. that's what we can see out of this chart. But very nice trade. You also expected price to fake out. Very nice, man. Congratulations. Very nice entry as well. Few stops at break even, just secure some profits. It's Friday. So UBP CAD. Bro,
Sunday,
that song makes me so happy, man. You don't even want to know. You don't even want to know.
Just keeping the good vibes, guys.
At the end of the day, I just want the weekend to. Oh my God, what the hell happened here? I don't know what's going on here.
Rainbows.
But this is different candles. This is high key nashi. Yeah, this is not candlesticks, man.
I think those are waves. Those are called
Yeah.
waves.
Yeah. Ricardo, get your surfboard, man. Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, no, I'm here.
Oh, he's there.
I like the look of that.
Yeah, he's coming down, very fast.
Yeah.
I don't know about that, man. I got no idea what to say about this. I got no idea. Bonus buy, strong retail sales, pip retracement. Yeah, nice. That's how I can say. I don't know anything about high keen ashy things, the waves, and this. I don't know what this is. The wave.
It's a snake.
Is this
There's a snake on the chart?
Snake?
A rainbow.
Oh yeah, a cobra. I mean, it works out. You're in profit. So should work.
So guys,
yeah, what indicator is that?
Guys, when we were watching the candles right now, and we compared to yesterday, we see the same thing. 8 o'clock candle, bearish. Next candle,
but if we
bullish,
got this pattern, we could see that. Yeah, we're going up. I see it. No.
What?
I've just started trying to zoom now. Did anybody take the bias?
Yeah, the two people took it from the bottom.
Where did you take it?
Actually, let me see where it was. I have to scroll
Yo,
down on the
I don't want
15th. It was
no,
around 150, 200.
no.
Oh, like at the
This guy.
close.
Yeah. So for me, when I got to work this morning, I saw my setup for the on the 30-minute for sales. So I got in right after that first candle closed, and I rolled it all the way down. I got about 20 pips, and then I looked on the 15 and 30-minute, and I was like, well, this is going up. So I just realized that this was a pullback in an uptrend. So that's when I
Yeah.
went to buy.
Wow,
So I
you
got
passed
about,
it. Got
I
a
did,
1,000 pounds.
Look at this, man. Oh my
yeah.
God.
It's just about to
Yeah.
break the high.
For me,
Yeah, I did 25% today off of this.
25%. What's your risk, man?
Everything. I'm just playing. No.
As in,
What the hell?
without a stop loss. You don't need a stop loss, bro.
Perfect.
Whoa, hold
No,
up.
I'm playing.
What's going on here?
No, I'm using no.
People are
No, so
wild
for me,
today.
I use no, I'm just playing. It was a joke. No, I do use 2% risk.
Oh, but you
So
made
for me,
25.
my yeah, because my stop losses, I have my magic key set too. So I'm just going off of my percentage off of that as far as that's
Yeah.
what it was showing me. So it's saying that for that it was 25.44%.
But-
Two wins, 0 losses.
Man, that's good.
That's really good.
Good. I'm gonna get my plane ticket. This guy is over risking. It's giving a smack in the head.
Man, I get the feeling 30 minutes gonna make the move in one candle, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for me personally, stop loss is mad
Oh,
big.
look at the
30
gold.
pips. Or you could maybe get in based on 15-minute stop loss, but
Just wait for support, guys. Literally Friday, no rush.
Friday,
yeah, that's what I was
Oh.
thinking. I'm just waiting for the 30 minutes.
Saturday, Sunday, what?
If
We
we
did.
close like this on the 30-minute, the next 15 can retest 400 level, and then we shoot up.
Exactly.
Yeah. We need 50 subscribers to hit the
What's crazy
1500 level. 15 subscribers. Who can make it?
What's
How do
crazy
you-
is the 15 minutes printing what I want to see on the 30-minute, which is kind of sucks.
Yeah, and 5 minutes closing above that resistance, and I'm hesitant to get in.
No, I'm
Yeah.
just gonna hold it, man. I'll wait.
But did you know that is a 4-hour support there? And look
Or-
to the left.
Resistance.
Yeah, support.
Right here.
4-hour support.
Oh wait, hold up. Let me go
Yeah.
to the 4 hour.
You're on the
Look to-
wicks.
This
the
level.
left. That level, and there is one to the left too. Yeah,
Okay.
those two. Up,
Yeah.
up. Yeah. So I closed my runner there at 130 pips.
130 pips.
Damn.
Oh yeah, you're in from the bottom, right?
Man, it's a
Yeah.
boss from yesterday.
This guy just grabs 130 pips casually.
I am in gold now, so
Gold.
so
Oh yeah,
far,
it's
so
breaking
good.
down a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could definitely go back to 23. I would personally look for sales below 22.50 on that level, maybe even lower
Luke,
based on
I
1
think-
hour. Yeah.
there's some guys asking for your name, so you could probably put you should put the link back in the chat.
Oh yes. Let's do that. Yeah, 1400 subscribers is a strong resistance right now. Need to pass that. Someone in the YouTube chat said that. There we go.
Yeah, I
Gold
managed
is
to
hot fire, don't
buy on GJ.
Are you in a buy?
Yeah, well, I took it before the Zoom,
Mm.
before I joined, and it was
What would you
wait for
entry?
15 minute. Because it whipped down a little bit, and then it broke the high of the 15, and I was like, oh, looks like it's going to retest the top of the range.
Yeah.
I'll reach the top of the range, should I say. So it looked quite good to me.
Oh, GJ's just going.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's off. It's off to the races. It's
Yo,
gone.
But anyways,
You know the vibe.
just wait for support now. Just we should have been at the bottom of the range to take buys.
Yeah, this is one of the times where the 30-minute just slaps you in the face, man.
Hmm.
But it's alright.
Dang, I
Nick,
should have
did
kept
you
my
not get
runner
in?
from yesterday, man. Jesus.
I'm thinking the same about the runner I had earlier, man.
Man, I would be up like 200 pips at this point.
Have a look on my chart. Have a look at that. I'm trying to find your chart, man. Can you send it again? What's his name? What's his name?
Gone.
Bezod. Can you send it again, your chart, please? I can't find it. Can't see it. Make sure if you send your chart, only do the last, this part. Only do this part. I can't see the link.
I think, to be honest, the good entry was actually above 5-minute resistance with the stop loss below, because we moved 14 pips away from that area.
That would have been my first target.
Man,
Yeah.
And he walked away for 1 minute. Look at that.
Oh, damn.
Wow, this 30-minute candle was just 40
It's nuts.
pips.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is, guys, for the people that have FOMO, don't, please. It's gonna continue back up, retest this level, create some sort of a support so you can retest the high.
Mm.
Just take it easy. Everything is gonna be alright.
I wonder how it's going for the people with not using stop losses over here.
Hold up! Don't roast people. Don't roast people.
No.
Don't roast people.
It's just a thought that popped in my head. Just curious.
There's one hell of a 30-minute candle right there.
We're trying to have it friendlier.
That's 40 pips.
That's crazy,
Yeah,
man. These guys that are in from like 215. Oh shit.
Things I told myself I wouldn't go below the 30-minute candle, so.
Don't hear him anymore either.
There you go.
Where'd he
But
go?
what happened to this? Oh, you only sent this part. Okay, let me see if I can fix that. Yes, fixed. I don't know what's going on with this chart.
To
Oh,
be
it's
honest,
my
we
fault.
could have actually entered as we broke the 15-minute high, because anticipating the same move as we had yesterday in London session.
No, I definitely agree. Like I said, I saw this stuff on the 15, but I just don't like taking trades.
Yeah.
So
Price
I'd
above
rather miss it than
500.
Anyways, now just wait for support. That's it. Like, honestly.
Well, I think if you take buys above 400, your first target's gonna be 574. That's not big. I think you should have already would have been looking above 400, because your a 570 level is now, if you buy above 500, gonna close above there, 7 pips. You took it from here, would have been 17 pips. Range would have been a lot bigger and the chances would have been a lot higher. So, yeah. I would be careful with that. Very, very careful. Good bug. 600 hit, secure 22 pips. Smooth. Good job, man. Good job.
Also, maybe don't forget the 4-hour wick rejection area. We are also in it right now.
Yeah. We'll just,
Nah, GG's going to 900 today. Just look at the daily. It's clean. There's nothing stopping us 4 hours as well. I think we're going to 900.
gold is also just ranging. But there is some news on used dollars, so might be that.
I don't know if the news will affect GJ today.
I need a couple of more moderators in the chat. I forgot to do it last time.
Go on.
Who wants to be moderator in the chat for a quick? I see Ewan. I think he's
You know what? I don't
You can put me, Luke.
Frank. Yeah, Augustus. Do just put a comment in the chat real quick. Tell me your name.
One sec.
Yes. Because I can't follow it with Master P and Nick and I myself. Yeah, I can follow it, but not everything. It's a lot.
I can keep track of a few things.
Yeah, but sometimes there's so many chats going.
So long no one's fighting, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also mics. That's the thing. It's a bit annoying when somebody doesn't mute themselves and just has background noise.
Yeah. I need to find that instant mute all button. Next time I'm gonna mute all button real quick. Let's see. Are you looking for 5 minute or 15 minute? Yeah, probably looking for a support form. I already created a high now, so that's beautiful. What I'm now looking for is just some sort of it's probably going to continue moving further up now and create another high before it to come down, pretty much like this. Let me put a couple of lines just to come up, go down to this level, and then create some sort of a support. Continue moving up, retest this level to the left, and continue moving up to 900. That's what I am looking for. But just
done, Luke. Just posted a comment.
Okay, yes. There you go.
Look,
Added. Yes.
do you know what I think?
What do you think?
Get ready for sales, man.
Nah, honestly, I think London opens in 4 minutes. It's not even a retest.
I'm curious how I will react.
Get ready for sales.
I knew everyone out.
Nah, this thing's about to.
I think it's pretty much the same scenario as yesterday. It could retest and have to shoot up again.
Augustus, give another comment in the chat to make sure.
I'll see a deep pullback right now. A deep one.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, we need 2 more people. Frank or Bye. Frank.
I have to make it. I have like I don't even have my name on the YouTube account. I'll make a YouTube account. Another one. Wait.
Are you not even subscribed?
Of course I am subscribed. No, I have like an account, but just I don't have my name on it.
Oh, okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Do you want to be a moderator, Ricardo, on YouTube?
Sure.
Okay. Do put a
no,
reaction in it.
No.
No?
No. Because I don't watch YouTube.
Oh, okay. yes, no, okay.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not for me.
Okay.
I'm on the Zoom, and I'm just wondering if Osteoman took another short position up here at 150.600.
Yeah, he's not here right now.
Crazy thing, we're all under the same thing, man. I'm actually checking Slack right now to see what he's talking about.
Because I don't know. I mean, what I don't understand is that, I mean, he's trading like we're trading, which is you're trading levels. You know, you're setting levels. You've got your levels marked, and you can see if it's going to go above or below. But you know, the bank levels. I mean, there must be a similar idea, because they're all, you know, the banks are all jumbled up in one spot, and that's what he was talking about. But I mean, you never know when it's going to go there.
This guy's calling out buys above with 30 lots. Relax, man.
It's a lot of drawdown to hold on to.
Yeah. I'm personally, I'm not a fan of drawdown at all.
No, me either. And also, you know, because you're calling for 149,600 or whatever, and it will go there eventually. But
I think it's also always funny that people say, yeah, drawdown is. You see all those signal guys and stuff. They're like, yeah, drawdown is a part of the game, this and that. Drawdown isn't part of the game, because if you knew drawdown was gonna come, you would buy or sell later to have a better entry. So it's all bullshit.
Yeah, you're better off waiting until you can get the minimum amount of drawdown you possibly can.
Yeah. So if they say drawdown is part of the game, it doesn't make any sense.
Also,
you're aiming to go up straight away, so
it kills you mentally.
London open over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, Luke. I changed the name on that thing.
Perfect. Yeah, I put up my magic keys, but it shut up straight away. So I was like, if it's not gonna make a wick down first.
Yeah, just
if it wicks, yeah,
around 400 level.
Yeah,
just let it play out this London session and see how it goes.
What you could also do if you want to be a bit more risky is wait for a touch of 400, retest, and then continue moving further up.
But about the earlier comment, I mean, just an opinion on my end, but I think when they say drawdown is part of the game, that is true. I mean, obviously not massive drawdowns.
Yeah, not massive drawdown. I mean, small drawdown, like 5 pips, 7, 8 pips, is normal. But you see these guys having like 30 pip, 40, 50 pip drawdowns, and it doesn't make sense.
I think when you have a calculated drawdown, maybe when you're a swing trader or something like this, you're aiming
Yeah,
for
that's different. Yeah, yeah.
But just holding the
targets.
fucking drawdown, this is just stupid.
Relax with the language. Relax. But at the end of the day, look, your target's going to be 10 times bigger, you know? But you're focusing as well as on, let's say, impulsive entries on price to go on straight away. And people are still getting back into drawdown with impulsive entries. Well, that's not the plan you planned out. If you're taking an impulsive entry, you're expecting price to move straight away and not go back into drawdown.
That was 10 pips at London over right there.
Yeah,
Jesus.
I saw it.
I knew it, man, but oh well.
Yeah,
No
it's Friday, man, so it's like,
yeah, just chill, guys.
Better take it easy.
But if it's wicking up now, so I think we're gonna reject again 600 level and then come back to retest 400 for us to go even further up in New York session. That would make sense.
Man,
you know, Wicks don't license.
massive candle.
Check out my EJ.
The worst thing about the drawdown is not the 150 pips; it's the psychological barrier.
Yeah.
I mean,
it's like writing your loss. And yeah, go ahead. Sorry to talk.
Yeah, it messes with you mentally. You can't handle it. You know, after a while, it just becomes too much.
After
unless you've got a huge account.
Your mind has to be brick solid if you want to be in those drawdowns. Next to that, if you look on, you know, if you just look at investors, and I've said this like a couple of times already now, is that successful investors and traders, they ride their winners and cut their losses short, and all the losers ride their losses and cut the winners short. And that's the same with people that are going deep into drawdown. That's just riding the drawdown. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. But if this level is broken, it's doable. So. Buy limit. Oh damn! You're already up. You're already in there. Yeah, you could continue moving further up if you close above there. Yeah. Crazy, man. Yeah, I wanted to get in, but it was like when the candle opened, it jumped directly to like 500. So I was like, yeah, that's already like a 3 pip difference. The entry. So I was like, oh, never mind then.
Yeah, I think we weren't paying attention that well.
Yeah, I was. I already had my MetaTrader open, my calculator open, and once I saw it open, I was like, yeah, maybe go down a bit further to like 50, get my entry, go back up, because then I could have had my stop loss just below the 15-minute candle at 360.
I see. Yeah, because it gaps up a lot like this at London Open all the time.
Yeah.
Then there's also that probability you might just reject at this point and stop you at a break even. So.
Oh, he's in at 600. Damn. Okay. Yeah, he said retest 5-minute made sense to him. Yeah, that makes sense. I would personally not want to be in that high, but
I think
you have mentorship and how much you charge for it. Yeah, soon I'm gonna have a mentorship group. Not gonna say too much about it yet. It's gonna be a small group. That's what I'm gonna tell you guys. Small group, around 15 to 30 guys. Start with, and I wanna really go deeper into the mentoring with that, and really focus on them to you know, let them become successful. And more personal stuff, yeah, more personal stuff, not just a group where everyone is in and you don't really speak with your mentor. I just really want to have conversations with you know, with my students as well at that time. So yeah, Carnala, free for you, man. Free for you, 100%. You're one of the first guys in this entire thing, yeah. So I'm gonna help you along the way, but you do need to listen. I already messaged you on Instagram. Don't over risk, don't overtrade, man. Overtrading, but you already overtrade. Take it easy. Just 1 to 2 trades, that's good enough. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna say for it right now. Soon I'm gonna be starting that, maybe in a couple months. So yeah. Daddy Luke. I need to get in your Zoom chat. Well,
I think if we're looking at the 4-hour right now, 678 is that Najim, he mentioned that support on 4-hour, but it's a resistance as well on the left.
yeah.
So if we reach the target for 4-hour, so we'll maybe look for next 4-hour to sort of create a bottom wick, which is going to be a low time frame support, and then push further up till 840, 900.
Yeah.
Because from London Open, we pushed 20 pips straight away in 6 minutes.
Crazy. It's absolutely crazy.
It's the same thing.
I want
I'm
to see what
looking at.
happened here in that 1 minute time frame. We closed pretty much level. Yeah, I think you could have just taken a possible buy, but the probability of pulling back pretty high, and your stop loss based on 30-minute really deep. So the pullback, you can expect the pullback to be pretty deep if a candle is so big. Yes, there's a 15-minute candle closing as well, 10 pips below. But still.
Yeah, I think that push was due to news. I wasn't really paying attention, but apparently there was like some news, medium impact news for the pound.
Yeah, it was at 7 o'clock, my GMT.
Which is like
retail sales.
Right?
By the way, I can get called now every second. I just got called. I missed it. Fuck. Doctor called me. 1 second, guys. The doctor has called me. I need to call back for a second. Please relax and take it easy.
Yeah, I'm actually about to jump off, man. I'm gonna come back to New York. I feel like I missed.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have a move in the new 4-hour. Not now.
Yeah, I wasn't paying because I don't pay attention to the news, but that's why that candle was so huge. Like the move would have been there. I think news just like did it in one candle.
But for the Fridays, for the past few months, we've been having the good moves on Fridays, which it's quite weird.
Yeah, no, honestly, it's been moving decent. Like the last couple of weeks, maybe not so much, but it's been getting better.
Even Asian session is pulling 50 pips.
Yeah,
Asian session has been great. I mean, if you look at it, it's.
But yeah, boys, I'm gonna call it a night. I missed the move.
I see you, Nick, on the other side.
Yes, sir, buddy.
Take care, man.
See you.
Till next week.
See you, Nick. See you, Nick.
Man, what am I gonna do this weekend?
Spend some money, bro.
Yeah.
What can I say? We all miss them. GG buys now, so just wait now. Honestly, Friday, no rush.
Personally, I mean, yeah, it's Friday. Even though you missed them, I mean, it's better to not be in a trade than to lose a trade. So.
I mean, it made sense. So much made sense when that 15-minute broke the high.
Yeah.
To get buys.
Same thing as yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. Top it off.
To be honest, I was looking on a 1 minute entry as we built support at 150, 200. but I was a bit confused because the last 30-minute candle, the 8-hour candle, made a lower wick, and I did not really expect it, the next 30-minute candle, to retest 200 and just skyrocket up. So I also missed the trade.
I think for that trade, it's like yesterday. You have to look at the high time frame and what it's shown on the high time frame. Like really understand how the 4 hours playing out and daily to actually see that once you got to the 30-minute resistance, that if it held, I mean, it was buys all the way up.
Yeah.
Come on.
We got 4-hour closing in 50 minutes, so I would expect some sort of pullback for us to push in New York. That would make a lot of sense.
Yeah, I just entered sales. Well, not just on 5 minutes. I'm up 3 pips. For like 1/3 of my risk if I lose this, you know.
So I'm back.
You expecting to push price down to 400 level?
I just got it to the next 5-minute support, so I can
Let
take
me
this little
see.
loss back, and then I'll be done.
Okay, it makes sense to be
Break
honest.
even for the day.
The way we
Oh,
pushed on
damn.
hourly, that makes sense.
It has to breathe now, you know, putting all that together, but we'll see.
Okay,
Yeah,
then that's a pretty crazy trade we see here on USD. It's
680 level Guala
crazy.
is 4-hour resistance. So
Yeah, I was also looking at that, but
we need 40 subscribers left to hit 1,500 subscribers. Can we do that by today? Who knows?
Luke, you got a couple of charts coming in.
Yeah. I was calling with my doctor, so to get off real quick first. This the chart. The sells, damn. My stupid trade. Entered sells here. No trade range. I think first of all, you had to look left because we didn't close around below anything yet. Yes, we broke some levels. Second of all, I think you got into some profits, so you should have closed 50% of break even though you already place your stop loss below the current candle.
Yeah,
And third of all, I would already have looked at this close because the close was not below the support level. And at that moment, I think you should have already managed that trade and just got out.
Yeah, he sold very low.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what my feedback is on your trade, and I think you just need to go over it again and look what you could have done. Even though I said these things already, look what you could have done to minimize that risk. Yes, you already placed your stop loss, you're only like 5 pips. But I think once you came back to entry, you should have already closed 50%. Next to that, once the candle, what I said before, did not close below that level, you should have just gotten out. You see, it respected that, rejected and respected it. And at that time, you would have been out with a small win, actually, if you did that. Because you would have been out at this level.
Or you could just do like I just did. I was $7 up in or 7 pips up in profit, and I put stops at break even.
Yeah,
Not really gonna call it a day.
Yeah, that's a good option as well.
We did the same thing yesterday. It
Took
looked a
2
bit
broke
better,
even
but
trades today, man. It's not, you know.
Stops were at break even after running 2K. I got out at break even. Okay. I don't know whose chart that was. Rahil's chart, yeah. Any more
TJ's
charts?
crack, man.
If you got charts, send them in.
I think you got Psycho before Rahil, or you checked that one.
Yeah, I think I checked that one. That was the one before this one, I think.
The buys? Oh,
Is it this one? Yes, this one. You took a 5 minute higher low entry. Yeah, I don't know what the other time frame looked like. It's like you took it on a lower time frame, but show the 5 minute chart next time because I'm looking at a 30-minute bearish candle where you entered. I think that's hard to do. That's breaking up again, GJ.
Yeah,
For the
that
people
shit
that
is
just
crazy.
don't have any FOMO, guys, just wait for price to come back, create a support, and to retest this high at 680. That's gonna be your easiest trade. This was a pretty hard trade when it closed up there and stuff. But just be careful. Good morning, Darius.
I think we had the move for London already,
100% gonna be
and
greater than anything.
just
Especially,
New York session will bring more volume into the markets.
yeah. Omkar. Yeah. Got my 3K done. Okay, nice. Yep. Clinton, another chart coming in. Oh damn. That. He also took about 600. Okay, base of 5 minute. Here, got into around like pips profit. Yeah, we'll already make this trade risk free if I was you. If you come back to break even, make it risk free. I think that's the best thing you can do right now. Just remember to just be patient. If you miss it now, you can catch it next time. This trade was just there was a possibility, but the probability is of coming back down hard, breaking lows by retracing was pretty high as well. Even though that 1 hour also closed above that level. I mean, it was a good trade, 100% for the people that took it. But just look out with that.
It is struggling though to break this level at this point.
Yeah, done that too.
But so not. No, I'm not gonna do anything.
Yeah, it's a 4 hour level. So.
Yeah, but you saw yesterday's 4 hour levels what it did to that, and just now what it did to that 4 hour. Oh no, this today it didn't. But it's pretty.
Yes, that's my plan, Albano.
It's a
Just
4 hour and monthly to the left if you go to monthly too.
this is what I'm looking for. Create support right here. Then continue moving. You moving back up. Towards this level, retested, and then continue further up, create a support again, and then that's my plan. This is my first time for a chart review. Am I doing this right? Let's see what you're doing. Get it. Well, I tried it, but turns out to be wrong. Put the chart like the chart you see below that. So Dan, you see Albanese? Look how he sent the chart with the slash, x slash, and then the name in between. Kind of like that. How many? Oh, there's. Oh, okay, there's another guy. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. I would wait for you now for it to close above an impulsive entry, so don't let yourself go into full drawdown anymore. Winning profits right now. What do you think of this trade, champ? Mr. B, let's see. Do some the last chart for a minute. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, this is just, I don't really get any better than this. Very nice trade, man. Very nice trade. We already entered there as well. What? Okay then. Damn. Busy. Yeah, let's see what GJ is gonna do in the next 1 hour. Gonna retrace, maybe it's gonna stay up. Who knows? Who's gonna get a camera with me on next week?
Yeah, man, I'll be there.
You'll be there?
Me
I've
too,
already
yeah.
got one.
Nice, nice, nice.
I already have one. Just don't have it on.
People can see us cry when we're in drawdown.
Yeah.
Except on gold. Gold has
Luke,
no drawdown.
Luke, you hate me, huh, bro?
What?
You hate me, huh?
Why?
Because you keep muting me.
Oh no, I mute
But
everyone.
I
Mute
under-
everyone.
Yeah, I understand, but I have Astros, so I just, switch it off like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when I'm done talking. But it's okay, I understand, bro. I'm just messing.
Yeah, it's just a waiting game now, man. It's just a waiting game. The breakup happened, so we could some very nice pullbacks to retest that high. You talk too much. Who? Me.
That's kind of the point, right?
Yeah, that's kind of the point of this live stream. I don't know about that, but switch it on then, bro. Frank,
Yeah.
you got your YouTube channel already right now? Are you-
Yeah, already
Okay.
I put a message right up for you begin.
Yeah, put a message, put a comment.
Yeah. Yeah, to switch up the name.
Gold, yeah, gold. Oh man, gold's going all the way back up. Frank, that's you, right?
Yeah.
Nice. There you go. I want one person or two people. 1 to 2 people.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you for being one.
You're welcome.
I'm looking at the 5-minute. Looks like it
Get a
can
chart.
break its own wick at this point.
This is gonna be the last chart for minutes.
Yeah, we slow down in volume
Risk
now.
free. Yeah. Yeah, it's better that you're risk free right now. Let it do what it does. Pretty good. Waiting for 30 minutes, waiting for decent setup. Yeah, me too, man. Just waiting for it to go down. Soon it's gonna go down. You see it already having issues, what the guys just said. And then gonna be pretty nice. But remember, guys, it's Friday. take it easy. On a Monday, I would have probably taken a Monday. Probably would have relaxed a bit as well. But probably like on a Tuesday, Wednesday, I would have taken that trade.
Oh,
But because it's a Friday, you gotta be careful, man. You don't want to risk
Yeah,
your
I mean,
profits.
if you made your profits, I mean, yeah, you have
Edie,
to risk it.
when will you start your mentoring group? Yeah, in a couple months. Just still looking what I'm exactly gonna do. Couple weeks, couple months.
Yeah, next week is going to be interesting. New month.
No, it won't affect the group and streaming thing. Won't affect it, Edie. Don't worry. Hmm.
I'm gonna call it a day over here.
Yeah, makes sense,
Apart from
mister.
the charts, I haven't taken any trades today.
How are you feeling, by the way, right now?
Man, I'm feeling pretty good. I am on a lot of painkillers though, so I don't know. But yeah, feeling quite normal. Maybe next week I'll probably definitely be back out of the house.
In the office.
Did you
What
have to
coffee?
get tested?
What's the new coffee machine?
Oh, I don't know yet. They haven't installed it, but it's not as good as the other one.
Oh, that's trash, man. The UFO cups were those are so good.
Oh man, so I'm gonna miss those. Yeah,
I miss
think-
them too, man.
Mhm.
I miss them too, but I don't drink a lot of coffee like once. What I said, like once in a couple, once a week, once in 2 weeks. I used to drink it just to enjoy it, not drink it every day, just to enjoy it.
True.
Yeah, Master Pete, did you have to get tested?
Yes. Yesterday I actually got tested. It came out positive, but it was no surprise.
Yeah.
Well, I'll head off, take a bath, relax.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
See you guys Monday.
Yes.
Stay safe, man.
Take care.
Have a
Safe,
good
bro.
weekend.
Take it easy.
Yes, definitely. Ciao, ciao.
Yeah, ciao, ciao.
See ya.
Bye bye.
You know the vibe.
Hey, Luke,
Yes.
did you get in? I just got back from dinner.
Nope.
No trade.
Do you enjoy it? The dinner.
Yeah, I had trout.
Whoa, you're on a different level.
What's that?
Eating
What did you say?
salmon, trout.
Oh,
Had
oh,
trout.
yeah. Guys living life
Chef
to
Ricardo.
the fullest.
I'm in Australia.
Do you ever eat your own risotto balls, or
Yeah.
like
Probably
on?
once a week.
Yeah, okay, like on the weekends then when you're selling them.
Yeah, well, when we make them, I try them, and there's always a little bit left over. I eat that. If
Pretty
I'm
nice.
really hungry, then I'll eat one.
Nice.
Look at GJ.
Yeah.
I
No,
can't believe it.
yeah, but it's good because now it's just making a great high for us to retest that high. Depends on how
Yeah.
long I'm gonna stay here. Probably gonna see what this next 30 minutes gonna do. This one's gonna close at 55 seconds. I want this one to just start retracing. Otherwise, it's gonna just, fly.
Well, look, we got a 4 hour close in a half an hour, so that will make sense. And then another 30-minute candle to sort of make
Yeah.
a bottom wick for 4 hour.
Yeah.
151 or 150,900 looks.
Oh
imminent.
yeah, we're reaching that. Look at the weekly and how we're flipping.
Yeah.
So that's what I said at the beginning of the stream. If we can fill this gap with the
Yeah.
candle, that would make sense.
100%.
Yeah.
I think we could have already bought once that fake out happened, because was this was sort of a fake out on the 50-minute. Seen that happen over and over again with this close. I think you could have just blindly bought. But the only thing is that the retrace, because of this 30-minute candle being so big, retrace would have been not fun. Could have happened. Didn't happen, but it could have happened that it was a big retrace.
That's right. Yeah.
And the 1 hour it didn't retrace, and normally it does. And if it does, with such a big candle on the 30-minute, yeah, it's gonna be pretty hard. And that's what I was waiting for. If it retraced, I had everything set up. I was about to hit the open trade button. It jumped up like 3 pips. But if it retraced at like like 450, 440, I would have been in. I'm not joking. I would have been in.
There was
But-
one 5-minute retrace that went to 54, 150, 54. But yeah, that's really nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes 80.
Crazy.
I just hope nobody took sells from this level.
I think Guala did, but hopefully.
Ostia man took
Bro,
sells now.
Did you take
sales,
sales?
them sales been stopped at a break even. This dude thinks. Nah, bro, cause I saw opportunity. I was like, okay, looking at the 5-minute, it might retest the support again,
Yeah.
but it didn't. I went 7 pips in profit and put stops at break even right away. And it's my second break even trade of the day.
Makes
so
sense. Makes sense.
I'm not gonna, I was just playing with it. Let's put it that way. Testing the waters.
We're growing. We only need 25 subscribers to hit 1,500. That's a level right there. Could we do it? Could we make it?
Do everything. You put your mind to it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Facts.
Could we make it today? That's the question. You think so?
I mean, you have been growing like crazy.
Yeah.
When I first
We already grew like 150 today.
Yeah, when I first came in, you was at 200.
Yeah, man.
'Cause
Yeah. Bro, we started from the bottom.
I was 194 subscriber.
We started from the bottom, man. Just slowly,
you got, like,
10 pips, and then 10 subs, and then we got to 20. And it's all went slowly, like 3 subscribers a day around that. And then, yeah, then we
And
hit
then you shut
we
up like
100.
GJ, man.
Yeah, we hit 100. We hit 100. I was so happy, and we were gaining around 5 subscribers, 10 subscribers, and we hit like 188. Then we started to gain like 15 subscribers a day. And then at 200,
Strong
Q
support.
just gives me a shout out, and we jump double 100% profit. No, 100% up. And then he does a shout out again, and then we go 100% up again. Then we are at 900, and now we're at, very high.
Yeah, man.
Very,
Blessings.
very high. Yeah, man. Real blessings. 20 left. We already gained 5. Thank you guys, man. You guys are savage. You guys are absolutely savage. Absolutely savage. That is just crazy. But I can't believe it. I still can't. Now it started to come in, but, that jump up, it was just insane. And I still got that moment in my mind where Augustus WhatsApps me and he's like, "Bro, look at the numbers." It's like, I was sitting in my car. Yeah, I just got into my to my father's house, and I'm like, "What? What?" And I look and I'm like, "How? How?" I didn't understand.
It was in the morning, if you remember.
Yeah.
It was like 480 or 470.
Yeah, 475. 475. I was happy.
We're talking about 500.
Yeah, I was
I
happy.
was like saying, man, you got 980 people. I was like, yes, man.
Bro, I didn't understand. I was looking there and I'm like, what? And then I saw that Raquel gave me a shout out, and I'm like, bro, thank you, man. And the next day, same thing happened. I mean, that's the day that happened. I'm like, bro, I just couldn't believe how much growth it was. No, I've been thinking him like every 30 minutes. I'm telling you, crazy. But I just couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. Oh, and then the next day we got like 440, 450 people in the YouTube, 60, 70 people in the Zoom, over 500 people. Just insane. Today we had like 360 or something. No, just a bit higher, I think. Between 350 and 380 around that level. Following you from Mauritius. Who's that?
Mauritius. You don't know?
Yeah. Badu, can you explain me who that is? Maybe channel or something? I got no idea.
Man, it's Mauritius in the land.
Oh damn. Oh shit. Morning. Bro, that's far away. That's next to Madagascar, man.
That's we
Oh
were looking
damn.
at that on Google Maps.
Yeah, the Google Map stories.
That's Private Islands.
The kidney story. That's the crazy story.
Chilling on the beach.
Yeah, if people overtrade, I'll just send you to Portugal. Get you fucked up. Bro, that's a small island. It's like how wide is it? It's like 30 kilometers wide or something. Yeah, just off 50 kilometers wide. It's like 80 kilometers long or something, 90 kilometers long. Make you whoa. And you got different islands as well. That's crazy, man. Yo, GJ is just pushing.
Man, GJ doesn't care for no one.
Nobody.
In
Portugal.
what? Hour and 7 minutes, he pushed 60 pips, man.
Yeah. Crazy.
Jeez, I wish I was in these buys, man.
1.3 million people. But damn, that's still a lot for such a small country. Is it nice? Let me. Oh man, that's nice. I already see what's going on this island. Oh damn. Nah. This guy's living the life. You don't even want to see this island, man. That's crazy. Look at this real quick, yeah. Look at this picture, man. Look at this picture. Isn't that insane? Isn't that insane? That's crazy. Crazy.
Yeah, that's beautiful, man. Those are blessings.
Yeah.
Also.
Looks like Australia.
Yeah. Just shut up. Crazy. But there's gonna be a retracement soon, 100%. Matter of time.
Yeah, for New York.
Where is that? That's the name was on it. Here. This is. There you go. Very nice. How many do we have left? 15 subscribers left. Can we make it, guys? 15. That's the TP for today. TP for today. Can we do it? Full margin. Yeah, so it's coming up to this 860 level, and 100% is going to reject at that and retrace first to create a support. Because it's been going too up too high right now. There's a large move on this session. Do you expect New York to have less momentum or consolidate a bit? I think maybe retrace a bit to continue moving further. Depends. I don't really trade New York session. I used to do, but what we mostly get out of well, at the beginning of last month, we saw Asian session moving a lot, so we had less volume in our session. But yeah, depends. It could also continue moving. Friday. Everything can happen
Whenever
on
you
a
say
Friday.
Friday, I just hear that song, man.
Friday then. Sunday would. Man, I'm getting annoyed about the weekends, man. Just get rid of the weekends.
Yeah, man. I'm just gagging for Mondays. Just can't wait.
I'm, you know, I got stuff to do with the weekends, but getting fucking annoying every time I have to stop.
It's just long. 2
Yeah,
days are
it's way
long.
too long. People don't understand. Yeah, people that work normal work days, they want weekend 100%. I don't want no weekend, man. Fuck off with your weekend. But I do like the song though. It's Friday then. But just come on.
That's the only good thing when you trade crypto is you can trade nonstop.
Yeah. Except now view my chart. Okay, Dan. I got you, fam. Got you. My guy. But I can't. It's a wrong chart. It's exactly what I posted up. Make the picture again and do it again. Make a new screenshot and put the new link in, Dan. I want to review your chart, but it's a wrong chart and I can't move these numbers because I don't know what the right chart is going to be. Yeah, that's not a good idea, Albin. It's not a good idea. Friday then.
Saturday, Sunday, what?
That's one of those songs that just makes you happy. Just
Nah, today we've been on a good vibe since the morning, to be honest.
Yeah, man. 100%. And just next to a good vibe, just patient.
Yeah.
Patient, just, not jumping in anything. Best thing, man. Wrong chart. Yes. Do you think it's a good start with $500? David, ask yourself a couple questions. Are you able to lose that money? Is it a big impact in your life if you lose 500 euros? Because you got to look at that 500 euros like right now that you already lost it. If you're going to do that. Next to that, look at your income. How much money have you saved up? What's your, and how much money are you allowed to, lose every single day? Looking at those numbers, set that aside, and decide for yourself if 500 euros is a good start. For some people, 1,000. For some people, 10,000. For some people, 100 is a good start. It all depends on where you're standing right now with your money, and how much you're able to lose. DJ on crack right now, no retracement. Yeah, it's crazy, but I think it might retrace after it hit this level.
I think, yeah, for an account, you also have to find the sweet spot for you. If you do lose the money, you actually care about it also. It's not like putting
It's
200 and
Friday.
thinking like,
My God.
like you don't care about it.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It doesn't need if it hurts you emotionally, then you need to start,
But it should also hurt you a bit. I mean, it's like, yeah, if you put 200, I mean, most of people can actually afford losing 200 maybe a couple of times, so they won't treat that very seriously. Then if you put maybe 1,000 or 2,000, then you treat that much more seriously.
Yeah, for me, what it personally was, my issue is trading. That's exactly what you just said, but trading with loss sizes. I used to trade like starting out. I used to trade 0.01 like everyone should do, 0.02, 0.03. Then I went up to 0.10. I was taking the 0.02 and 3 serious because it was a learning process, but once I started to use like 0.10, 0.20s, I was like, yeah, fuck it, I'll take this straight, and that's what you shouldn't do. If you can afford it, because people think that they can afford it, so they can just use that risk and don't mind.
Exactly.
That's not how it goes. So for me, what helped for me it was to just use more risk, to take it more serious and not jump into anything. And that moment when I started doing that, I started to take things a lot more serious, and not jumping to everything what I just said and just taking it easy. Take it easy. And realizing that you don't have to be in everything. You don't have to be in every trade. There's no reason for you to be in every trade. Yeah, we could have been in this trade, but it's Friday. It's dangerous. So why should we? It's part. The end
That's
of the
the thing
week.
too. Sorry.
Don't want to
Go
risk
on.
all your profits you just made this week. Blow it on a Friday for what? For what? Like, yeah, maybe on a Wednesday, like I said before, I would have maybe taken it, but just gotta be careful, man.
Guys, it's end of the quarter as well.
Yeah.
So just be patient. New quarter starts and we're gonna see some volume coming into the second quarter. Just be patient. Just be patient. The move's gonna happen next week, and the next month. So if you miss a move, you miss a move.
Exactly. Shouldn't matter. What you could do is look into how you could have taken the move, but also just
we missed that sort of move, and it's like, oh, he moved 50 pips, but who cares, man?
Yeah.
We had a good week, so there's no point to rush into this trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, and to come back on what you were saying about the account size, it's also, making profits that actually, kind of matter. It's like the thing is, as a beginner, when you're making €2 or dollars, whatever, every trade, it's, of course, it's profits, but as a beginner, you like, that's nothing. I want to make more money and everything. Then if you have a pretty reasonable account size, you can actually make a bit of profits and be satisfied with it.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you can put some money, even I would say put money aside and build an action, and after when you have the money aside, put into a trading account for a reasonable amount. Because trading €200 or something like that, it is good for the beginning for helping you get the experience and everything. But afterwards, you have to put that money into the trading account and invest into yourself and believe in your skill.
Yeah, man.
What I see a lot of people is rushing into trading to earn money quickly.
Yeah.
And I think all of us sort of was actually first off of coming into the Forex. But when you experience the losses and those swings, out of your account, you just realize it's a long game. And quite lonely. So to have that sort of community like we do is just amazing.
Bro, it's amazing. And the good thing is about this community right here as well is that you're in a call with people. They can also assist you on things you're doing, can help you. They can show you things you can't maybe see. You can show them things they can't maybe see. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it's taking ideas from each other, but not copying stupidly and just getting into a trade because somebody else is doing the exact same thing.
Yes, Elvin. Exactly. Focus on the process, not the profit. Good. Yeah, for me, it wasn't the profit. It was just taking it serious. I wasn't taking it serious with those 20-cent lots. There was no. It's for me. It was like, yeah, it was like just jump into everything. It doesn't really matter. Just do it, And for me, that's for many people. It's vice versa. For many people, it's like, oh, I'm getting a bigger lots. Scary. Understand? But for me, it was just at that moment I started taking it serious, and that was my my turning point. My turning point was that when I started getting into those bigger lots and taking myself, taking the chart, taking the everything serious. But you just need to.
Luke, can you explain to Dan how to get a chart?
Yeah, I already. If you go here again, make a new screenshot of the chart. And put in the new numbers again, please, if you could try.
And you go gold chart coming in.
Yeah. Oh, we need 5 subscribers. Hit 1,500, boys and girls. Could we make it? Is there some people that still want to give us up? Oh shit, that's my own fault, probably. Right here. Slash. There we go. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. 22, 20, 23. Just close below there. Perfect, man. Got clean traffic. That's what you're looking for, man. That's pretty good. Pretty good, man. Thank you for this chart. It's gonna make for some people things a lot more visible. Even though you can't really see the candles itself, makes a lot of sense. Hey, look, first time here. Heard about you on Rakil's stream. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, Alex. Thank you for tuning in. Jordan, whoa, Luke, that's crazy. At less than 150 subs a few days ago. Yep, that's true, man. On Monday, I was like 177, and I ended at 200 something. I don't know. Numbers is just crazy. I think we have another chart. I can't see it. Gold sells. I already looked at this one, did I? Oh no, that's that one. Oh, this is a new one. Wait, hold up. Yeah, Dan, try sending that chart again. Did you catch the GJ buys? No, I didn't. It's Friday. Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what?
What?
Guys, we need 2 subscribers. 2 subscribers. I'm seeing you guys a lot. I'm sorry, but that 1500 is just crazy. 2 subscribers left. 2. Thanks for the Zoom sessions. Look, really enjoy to be here. Have a good weekend. Yeah, enjoy the weekend, man. Take it easy. Enjoy yourself. Kunturo. It's Friday. Now I have it in my head, man. 1 subscriber left. Can we make it? Who wants to be number 1500? Anyone here? Anyone there? 1500? There we go. We hit it, I think. There we go. Yeah, a couple people wanted to be. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Crazy. Crazy.
That's just beautiful, guys.
Yeah, man. Thank you guys so much. Hey, man, I just wanted to ask you, if I want to start with a $1,000 account, how much should I risk per day, per operation, risk per operation? I would make like $30 a day. Is it possible? Well, I don't know how long you've been trading, so you want to start with $1,000 a day. I think first you need to start, you know, with them smaller lots to see what are you doing, what are you looking for, what type of patterns are you looking for, how, are you winning most of the times, losing most of the times, what can you change? I think it's good for you to just start. If you're starting trading right now, just do a month and a half, just back testing, looking at your trades, taking small trades on a live account, 0.2, 0.002, 0.003 risk positions, learn how to manage risk. And then, take it further up slowly to like 0.10, that's 1%. Then, go maybe 2% risk if you like that. 3% is what you're aiming for, but I would take it easy if I was you because,
yeah.
Go ahead.
I feel like I think the move down's starting to begin. It's
Yeah.
really checked in the daily resistance.
Yeah,
I
so
don't know
that
whether
as
there's any counter trend trade.
New 4 hours, well, just pay that
Yeah.
attention.
Yeah,
Big look, thank you, man, Andre. I'm your new subscriber today. Thank you, man. Savage. Something that has helped me with my patience in trading is to think of like a war commander. Would you send your soldiers into battle with low probability of winning? That's actually pretty good.
Mm.
Everything or nothing. Send all the boats. Come on, full margin. I look great stream. Do you have any source of income except from trading? Nope, I'm full-time trading right now.
To be honest, for GJ, I'm not expecting to retrace all the way to 400s.
I'm soon
Around 600 level, and then push up.
Philip, I'm soon probably gonna start with some real estate though. But 1500 subs, here you go. Thank you, man. Yeah, good trader. Yes, that's pretty good. Good trader looks for reasons to not be in a trade. Bad trader looks for reasons to be in a trade. Yep. Thank you, Luke. Keep it up, mate. Oh, there he is. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands. Loads of people already know, but there you go. Yes, thank you, man. Logical. Thank you, thank you. Pretty easy. Yeah, see you, Miguel. Thank you for tuning in, bro. This was my trade for today. Let's take a look. Can you take a look, Sam? Sam. I can't see your chart, man. You need to send it again, Sam. Ooh,
What
it's
if
pretty
the
high
4-hour
buy.
closes below 673? That'd be
I thought
messed
you were
up.
British. Wait, go ahead. Yeah, what's I didn't understand.
What did you say?
What if the 4-hour closes below 673? That 4-hour support on the left, then this
Yeah,
would
that's fine.
be
That's fine.
considered a retest, and then we're going down. Actually,
Yeah.
more.
I
Let's
mean,
say
I'm
more
waiting
down.
for retest around 600 level.
Is already a stop loss break even. I think you already managed, you know, your position by taking out partials around these levels. Very good, man. Nice trade. Wouldn't personally take it myself because I was just waiting for a retest to happen. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what we can do.
If we close below that, that'll be really. I don't think that'd be good, honestly.
Yeah, bullish would be above 860 pretty much.
Yeah, because in this, then
I think we close in above, to be honest.
Yeah, you could. I mean,
And then fill 4-hour until
fill
900.
4-hour wick. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't like trading wick fills because most of the time you don't get the 100% wick
Yeah,
fill.
but just
That makes
you
sense.
go on the lower time frames, right? And
Yeah, for sure.
see for the structure based, because we reached the highs now. We created a target for us. Just wait for retracement. Above 600 is perfect, and then push further up in New York and finish weekly strong.
New subscriber, I want to know. Start your license. There you go. There's the time. Monday to Friday.
Yeah, on the 5-minute, it's already kind of sort of rejecting.
26 seconds left.
Yeah, but with the new 4-hour open, you don't want to be in the 5-minute, time frame.
Yeah. I have that on the back of my mind. I just like to look at the 5-minute.
Mm-hmm.
I've been doing this for since I started.
It makes sense because 5-minute creates sort of a higher time frame structure to follow.
Quicker, yeah.
Levels.
The 1 minute is a little bit too chaotic for me.
Yeah.
The 5-minute, I can manage that.
Are you guys still here?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Waiting for your signal, man.
We're just waiting for that retrace,
Yeah.
New candle just opened, 30-minute close on the bearish, 15-minute close on the bearish. Okay, let's see. Boys, we need to get a new target for next month. And I'm thinking about 2,000. 5K, whoa, relax. Relax.
Next month.
Yeah, next month. I think like 2,000 or 2.5K. Is that gonna be the target? Would it make sense?
Of course.
We gained a lot of subscribers today. Yesterday, the day before. We gained. Yeah, let's put the target on 2.5. I would already be. I'm already happy right now, but if we hit 2,000, that would already be insane.
I mean, the hardest is the beginning.
Yep. If we keep on gaining like today we just gained pretty well. So we should be able to hit that next month. Easy 3.5K, Alex. Let's go. Easy 3.5K. Okay. Yeah, I think 2.5 is possible. 2.5, 1,000. We're at 1,500 now. We gained. Calculate it. We went from 1. We had 3,000, like 30, 40. See how much we gained today. Look at it. 17. We gained around 180 subscribers today. So, should be able to make that. Even if we only make 180 a week, we already would gain 720 subs. So yeah, we make 200 a week, 200 subscribers a week, could make it to that level. No, not 200. A bit more. 250. 250 times 4,000. Do you provide signals, mate? No, but I do trade live, so if I get in a trade, you do see when I'm gonna get in a trade, and I'm telling you when I'm gonna get in a trade. But I don't do any signal services shit. Next to that, signal services are always way too late. Late services, and I'm definitely not a fan of that. Never gonna do that. Trust me.
I don't think we're gonna see some sort of movement now into
No.
New York.
No, me too. I think I'm gonna call it a day. We've been here 2.5 hours. You know, if it didn't happen already, it wasn't for us anyways. That's why I always think tag Rakiu, Crew, and Max Stefanos in your stories. Yeah, but Rakiu already shouts me out a lot, so I'm fine. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. We're gonna end the session for this week. Kill it next week again. Remember, next week is gonna be 29th, 30th, and 31st. It's gonna be pretty dangerous. So take it easy. Wait, one question. Look, I think I should. Why not bring the extra 20K a month? Savage. 120K a month from just signals. Man, I'm not into that shit, man. I really don't care if he's making 120K a month. I don't care if I'm gonna make an extra money a month. For me, the signal business is a nasty business. I'm telling you right now, it's a nasty business. I don't want to be involved in that shit. I don't want to have one of those stickers on my head. I don't care what people think about me, but it's not my thing. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning in, calling it a weekend here. Enjoy the weekend. Don't over trade. Don't over risk, please.
Alright, goodbye, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you guys for tuning in as well, and
Cheers,
helping
Luke.
us grow.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See ya. Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what?